guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we are yet with another recipe, which is cheesecake. So first we'll subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification on so that every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. Now we'll go to the ingredients. I've taken hide and seek biscuit, which is cream sandwich, 1 packet. I've separated the biscuit and the cream. I've taken 3 tablespoons of ghee or butter and 100 grams of cream cheese. Now I'm transferring the biscuits into a bowl. I've started to crush that with my hand, or if you're not feeling convenient, you can put that biscuits on a paper and you can just crush that with the help of an object. We are looking for a sandy texture here, so make sure you don't soften the biscuits or the texture is not too soft. Now I'm just making sure that there are no huge pieces of biscuits here. Now I'm mixing the butter or ghee that we've taken and mixing that really well. And guys, if you like my recipe, do follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, okay? So now we've mixed it really well. Now I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes until we finish the cream cheese process. So I'm taking cream cheese here, which is homemade. I'm adding the vanilla cream that we just scraped out of the biscuit, and I'm mixing that well, and I'm combining it together with the help of fork or whisk. Mix that really well, and then I'll be adding half tablespoon of sugar, which is optional, and lastly I will be adding vanilla essence. Even that's optional because the cream is already sweet and it's vanilla cream, so it's your choice. Next, I'm taking a mold made up of butter paper here because we usually use spring form pan to make the cheesecake. So because it's not available with everyone, I've made this mold and I'm just filling it with the biscuits, the base that we've already prepared, and I'm just setting that properly with the help of a tumbler or a glass. And now we'll be finally putting the cream onto it, which is cheese cream. And if you want to know how we've prepared the cheese cream and how I've made the mold, so let me know in the comment section so that I can make another video about it. So just spread the cheese cream evenly on the base, and once it's set, or once you've spread that evenly, we'll keep this in the refrigerator for 3 hours to make sure it's set well. Now we're putting it in the freezer. Now it's ready. I've just removed it with the help of a knife. Now I've just topped it with grapes, and you can top it with any fruit that you want. It's really yummy. Do try that, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys. Bye bye.